English phrase, go with the flow. This is a common phrase that we use to tell people to relax and just accept whatever happens without trying to control the outcome. The phrase comes from the idea of a body of water like a river or an ocean flowing in its natural direction. In fact, another less common variation of this expression is go with the tide. Now let's take a look at some examples of how to use this phrase. I never plan my vacations. I love to just go with the flow and see what happens. You can call me Mr. Spontaneous. I started a new job and a lot of things don't make sense, but I'm just going to go with the flow for the first couple weeks and see if I figure it out. I hope I don't end up looking like I have no idea what I'm doing. Todd's parents are total control freaks. They hate it when he makes decisions that go against their advice. They can't just go with the flow and let him live his life. Now it's your turn. Do you like to just go with the flow? Are you a go with the flow kind of person? Or do you prefer to have control over things and be the decision maker? Try to use this phrase in a sentence in the comments. Also, share this with your friends who want to go with the flow and learn some English. Keep studying and keep learning. See you in the next lesson.